We'll try to get something similar in San Francisco, but it looks pretty good. All right, so if there's a final question or comment, I see one. And then I also want to thank you, Kirk, too, because I know it's early, and I know what it's like being in Hawaii and always having to wake up early for other people. So thank you, though, for your participation. And we'll take one more question, and then Alfred and Kirk can give closing comments, and then we'll figure out the rest of our evening.
Very good.
Hello? Yep. Thank you. I just want to say thank you very much, Kirk and Alfred. Your presentation is very presenting clear and is very welcome news for us. Many of us here, all of us, I would say here, are mostly deprived of human rights people. So to hear something like this is very welcoming news. And thank you very much to come here and to tell us on such a wonderful news such as it is. And I certainly will tell not just my colleague who are in this room, but my parents and my sibling, and in fact, people, my relatives back in Laos, to go in and sign and please support this wonderful historic bill of global rights. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And Joshua, I have just a short concluding remark and follow up to that. And my comment is this.
Go ahead,
I thank the gentleman there for considering his family and, as well. Because I think one of the best things that Unite for Rights has to offer, and that's unique, that complements the other very fine work that's being done by all the different organizations that you've heard from today and that are represented there, is that we have something we can show that's positive. At a time when in the world people are constantly focusing on the negative and the divisiveness,